Hello everyone, today our topic is how to create HubSpot CRM contacts from new Facebook leads. So here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new Facebook lead from Facebook lead ads, then automatically by using those lead details, I'm going to create a new contact in HubSpot CRM. So for that, I have to build a simple connection between Facebook lead ads and HubSpot CRM. So for building this connection, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. In Pabbly Connect, I have to use trigger and action. In trigger application, I'm going to use Facebook lead ads. In action application, I'm going to use HubSpot CRM. So how I'm going to build this connection? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see that how we can create HubSpot CRM contact from new Facebook leads. So here this is my Facebook page, and to promote my business, I'm running an ad campaign on my Facebook page through which I'm getting a lot of leads. Now what I need to do is that I want to use these lead details and automatically I want to create a new contact in my HubSpot CRM account. So here I want this to happen automatically, so I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. So by using Pabbly Connect, what is going to happen is that I'm going to build a connection between Facebook lead ads and HubSpot, and automatically whenever I'm going to receive a new Facebook lead from Facebook lead ads, then automatically a new contact will be created in HubSpot CRM. So for using Pabbly Connect, what I have to do is I have to open a new tab and I have to search for pabbly.com/connect, and this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly Connect. Here we have two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly, you can just sign up for free and it will take only 2 minutes of your time and you will get 100 of tasks free every month. Or if you already have an account, you can just sign in and you will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I have to click here on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect, and this will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here this is the workflow section, and we can see all the workflows that we will create here. And this is the folder section. We can create new folder here and we can save any workflow in any particular folder that we want. Now here I want to create a new workflow. For that I have to click here on this create workflow button and this window will pop up. Here I have to name my workflow. So I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to create HubSpot CRM contacts from new Facebook leads. Now I'm going to select the folder where I want to save my workflow. So for that I have to open this tab, and in this tab I will find all the folders that I've created in my Pabbly Connect account. So I'm going to use this folder of Facebook lead ads. So I'm going to select this, and now I have to click on create. And this will take us to this most important window of our workflow. Here we have two boxes, trigger and action. So these are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow, and action will just follow that. So we have to first set up our trigger, and here my trigger application is going to be Facebook lead ads. So I'm going to select Facebook lead ads here. And now I have to give a trigger event. So I'm going to open this tab and new lead instant will be my trigger event. So I'm going to select this and I'm going to connect Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect. So I'll click here on connect. I will click on add new connection and I will connect with Facebook lead ads. Now I have to click on continue to give access to my account. So I'm going to click here. And my connection here is successful. Now what I need to do is I need to select my page and the lead generation form. So for that, let me take you to Facebook. And I'm going to use this page of Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to map this. So let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And here for selecting the page, you have to open this tab. And in this tab, you will find all the pages that are connected with your Facebook account. So I'm going to search for my page, which is Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to select that. And now you have to give the lead generation form. So for selecting the lead generation form, you have to open this tab and you will find all the lead generation forms that are connected with your Facebook page. And I'm going to use all the lead generation forms. So I'm going to select that, and you can also select any particular form that you want to use. So I'm going to select this. And here I have this important note which says, please note that after clicking the save and send test request button, you will need to generate sample submission of your lead ad form by clicking on the preview form button and filling out the form. Make sure that the lead generation form is live before making the sample submission. Now here what I need to do is I need to click on save and send test request button, and here it is waiting for webhook response. So how I'm going to get this webhook response? For that, I have to create a new Facebook lead, and for that, I'm going to use Meta for Developer. So for that, let me take you to Meta for Developer, and here I will go to more, and I'm going to open tools here. And in this, I'm going to find this lead ads RTO debug tool. So we are going to use this debug tool to create a new lead. So I'm going to select this, and now I have these two tabs, page and form. So first I'm going to select my page. So for that I have to open this tab and I'm going to select my page, which is Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to select this. Now I have to select the form. So you can select any form that you want to use. Now what I have to do is I have to click on preview form button, and by clicking here, I will get the form that I'm going to use for creating a new lead. So I'm going to click here and here I have this form. So I have to fill all these details to create a new lead, and I have to fill dummy details here. So my first name is going to be test, last name will be user, email will be testuser@pabblytudes.com. I will give a random mobile number and I'm going to give a city. So my city will be Indore and I'm going to click on next. I will click on submit and here we can see I have submitted this form. So this means that I have created a new lead. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect and here we can see I have received this response. So the first name is test, last name is user, email is testuser@pabblytudes.com. I have this random mobile number and I have the city, which is Indore. So I have received this response, and in this response I have the detail of the new lead that I have created from Facebook lead ads. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use all these details of the lead and I'm going to create a new contact in HubSpot CRM. So for that what I have to do is I have to set up my actions tab. So I'm going to open this tab and here my action application is going to be HubSpot CRM. So I'm going to select HubSpot CRM here. Now I have to give an action event. So I'm going to open this tab and create a contact will be my action event. So I'm going to select this and I'm going to connect HubSpot CRM with Pabbly Connect. So I'll click here on connect. I will click on add new connection and I will connect with HubSpot CRM. Now here I have to choose an account that I'm going to use. So I'm going to select this account and I'm going to click on choose account. And my connection here is successful. So as I have already logged into my HubSpot account in my browser, so it has detected that. Now I have all these tabs and I can fill all these details to create a new contact in my HubSpot CRM account. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the details that I've received from my new Facebook lead and I'm going to use all those details to create a new contact in HubSpot CRM. So I have received the name of my lead, email address, phone number and the city. So I'm going to map all those details here. So here I'm going to scroll down and here I have this tab of first name. So I'm going to map the first name of my lead. For that I have to use mapping. And what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous tabs and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping I have to click here. I will open this response of Facebook lead ads and this is the first name of my lead. So I'm going to map this. Similarly I'm going to map the last name. So I'm going to click here. I will open the response of Facebook lead ads and this is my last name. So I'm going to map this. Now I have to map the email address of my lead. So I'm going to click here on this email tab. I'm going to open this response of Facebook lead ads. And this is the email address, which is testuser@pabblytudes.com. So I'm going to select this. Now I'm going to map the mobile phone number. So I'm going to click here. I will open this response of Facebook lead ads. And this is my mobile phone number. So I'm going to map this. Now I will map the city. So I have this tab of city. So I'm going to click here. I will open the response of Facebook lead ads. And this is the city, which is Indore. So I'm going to map this. So I have mapped all the required details and the details that I have received from Facebook lead ads. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to click on save and send test request button. And here we can see I have received the response. So in this response, I have this contact ID. So this means that I have created a new contact in HubSpot with all these new leads that I've received from Facebook lead ads. Now to check this, I'm going to take you to HubSpot and here I'm going to go to contacts. And here we can see that I have created this new contact in my HubSpot CRM account. So I'm going to preview this contact. So the name is test user, email is testuser@pabblytudes.com. So here we can see that I have created a new contact in HubSpot CRM by the details that I have received from my Facebook lead that I have created in Facebook lead ads. So here my connection between Facebook lead ads and HubSpot CRM is working successfully. So whenever I'm going to receive a new lead from my Facebook lead ads account, then automatically by using those lead details, I'm going to create a new contact in HubSpot CRM. Now to check this in real time, what I'm going to do is I'm going to close this. I will go back to Meta for Developer. I'm going to close this. I'm going to delete this lead and I'm going to preview this form again. So I'm going to click here and here I'm going to fill this form. So my first name will be new, last name will be contact, email will be newcontact@pabblytudes.com. I will give a random mobile number and now I'm going to give a random city. So my city will be Bhopal. So I have filled all the details here in my form. Now I'm going to click on next. I will click on submit and here I have created this new lead. Now what should happen is that automatically by using these lead details, a new contact should be created in my HubSpot CRM account. Now to check this, I'm going to go back to HubSpot. I'm going to refresh this And here we can see that a new contact has been created. So I'm going to preview this. So the name is new contact, email is newcontact@pabblytudes.com. So here we can see that my connection between Facebook lead ads and HubSpot CRM is working successfully. And whenever I'm going to receive a new lead, then automatically a new contact will be created in my HubSpot CRM account. So here these were the details that I've filled in my lead generation form in Facebook lead ads. Then automatically by using those details, I have created this new contact in HubSpot CRM. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And here we have built this connection between Facebook lead ads and HubSpot CRM in such a way that whenever I'm going to receive a new Facebook lead, then automatically by using those lead details, I'm going to create a new contact in HubSpot CRM. Now let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger, and my trigger application was Facebook lead ads, and my trigger event was new lead instant. Then I have set up my actions tab, and my action application was HubSpot CRM, and my action event was create a contact. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there. And thank you for watching this video. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this using Pabbly Connect. If you need any help or if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can post them at forum.pabbly.com, or if you have any issue with the pricing of Pabbly, you can connect on this link. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.